There's a very nice XK150 here, and I found the owner, Darryl. So Darryl's going to tell us something about his car.
The car was bought from the other side of Edinburgh. Went down in the winter in the bad weather to see it. Saw it straight away and really thought I'd like this car. And chap bought it back. He'd owned it for quite a number of years. He bought it in South Africa, and he brought it back home. Had the paintwork and the chassis tidied up. Nothing much done to it other than that. It had it rebuilt in South Africa where he worked, and he was reducing his collection, and that's how I came by it.
Very nice. Can we have a look round it?
Yeah, sure.
Open the bonnet.
Yep.
Little safety strap there. 1957 Jaguar XK150 from South Africa. Is it the original XK engine for it?
No, the chap that owned it had it rebuilt as a S specification and had the engine lightened and balanced. On the rolling road it was putting out 240 brake horsepower, and he had it reduced down to 220 to give more traction, more torque to the engine. So she runs, she'll pull in third gear from about 10 miles an hour.
And the top speed's 150, isn't it?
No, they're good for about 125, 130.
Okay.
It was the 120 that was the, could do 120.
Yes. Beautiful. Can we have a look inside?
Sure.
Oh, it's so nice, this. Look at that steering wheel. That's beautiful. So it's all been refurbished inside?
Yes. When I bought the car, the gentleman gave me the original steering wheel and the seats. These are bucket seats, which were optional extra. It's a lovely smooth car to drive. Pulls in all the gears and goes nicely into overdrive.
So that's the gearbox, is that?
It's an original Moss box, 4-speed with overdrive.
The smell in here is gorgeous, isn't it? Sort of
yes.
Leather and old worldy. Beautiful.
I'll speak to you that by the way. Yeah, well, it doesn't. It finishes quite.
So this is forest green. Beautiful wire wheels. Give us a rev. Brilliant. Brilliant, thank you. Well, thanks very much for showing me your car.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.
Okay, cheers.